Cooking rice just got easier with the Aroma Housewares 1.5 quart rice and grain cooker. This compact powerhouse transforms 3 cups of raw rice into 6 cups of fluffy, delicious grains. Whether you're cooking for yourself, a partner, or a small family, this cooker is designed to make mealtime effortless. One simple press of a button is all it takes, and when the rice is ready, the cooker automatically switches to keep warm. No more guesswork, just perfectly cooked rice every time. Plus, it takes up very little space, making it ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or even office lunches. Simplicity is key. Just pour in your ingredients, add water, and press start. The built-in measuring lines help ensure the right balance of rice and water, so there's no need for complicated calculations. The non-stick pot not only prevents food from sticking, but also makes cleanup a breeze. Whether you're cooking rice, soup, or even cake, the BPA-free premium coating keeps everything smooth and mess-free. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to store, making it a convenient choice for anyone who loves home-cooked meals without the hassle of bulky appliances. This rice cooker comes with a handy measuring cup and a serving spatula to make portioning simple. Its 1.5 quart capacity also makes it a great companion for potlucks, side dishes, and party dips. Compact yet efficient, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen setup. The versatile design means you can experiment with different grains, from quinoa to oatmeal, expanding your meal options beyond just rice. Whether you're making a healthy breakfast, a hearty dinner, or a quick snack, this little machine does it all. Cleanup is just as easy as cooking. The non-stick pot and lid are fully removable and simple to wash. No more scrubbing stuck on rice or dealing with messy spills. A quick rinse and wipe are all it takes to keep your rice cooker looking new and ready for the next meal. Plus, its durable design ensures long-lasting use, so you can enjoy perfect rice for years to come. The Aroma Housewares Rice and Grain Cooker is a small but mighty kitchen essential. Fast, easy, and reliable, perfect for busy days and simple meals. Get yours today and enjoy perfectly cooked rice every time. With its effortless functionality and compact design, it's a must-have addition to any kitchen. Experience the convenience, taste the difference, and simplify your cooking routine with the Aroma Housewares Rice and Grain Cooker.